What a choppy day on the SPY, the S&P 500 index ranging between 557 and the 563 level. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome to all subscribers, welcome back. So we had opportunities in both directions, but the strongest and home run of the day was sent to our Discord by our SPY bot at 10:20 a.m. We could see it here popping up, and it did not get canceled by a bear indicator till 12:50 p.m., and that lasted nearly 2 hours. And there was strength there, and call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and join the members using 42 Vision, check out the link down below in the description to get connected to our 42 Vision indicators, get connected over to our bots and our inflow versus outflow, which shows the strengths of support and resistance and shows us the strength of trend with the extra layer of confirmation of the bull and bear indicators. Once again, that link is down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to having you join us and getting you connected. So the SPY here had a choppy start, but it pushed up from 558 all the way up towards 563. We had this inflow level here historically since way back here on Thursday, right, of May 1st, holding things up from last week. And then we came down towards that area. We bounced back up, followed by that bull indicator popping up at 558 and a clean move up towards 562 and then the highest level of 563. Now this outflow level was sitting there from yesterday's after hours, and you could see how the outflows are dominating there. And this is where 42 Vision really gives that edge, because we had the support area. We follow with the strength of trend with the bull indicator here. And the next level to go ahead and use as reference was the highs here of where things rejected at 560. You could see why it slowed down there much of the time, and it kept trying to push up. And then you had the highs up here of where that outflow level popped up, which is near 563 to 563.50, and it went ahead and touched it, guys. It slowed down here near the highs of the pre-market before rejecting back down towards 557, 558, and then it came back up and retraced it through that consolidation. This was the point of reference. Is it always guaranteed to hit the outflow level? No, but it tends to retrace back to it when you find support above inflows. You have that extra layer of confirmation of a bull indicator, and then you can also see here on the 3-minute how strong these inflows were, right? And then you have some very large levels way up here, but we got inflows coming in before that bull indicator and during that 5-minute trade opportunity. Now, when you see here later in the day, yes, outflows came out up here near 563 to 560. We came all the way down to 558 and we started to reverse, and then we had double inflows here, double confirmation of bullishness, followed by that bull indicator at 559, and then you had 560, 561 as a point of reference of trying to retest and retrace to that level. And this is a clear example again of strong supports and resistance. We're trying to come back up, and what I would look for and use that a point of reference from down here at 559, 558 was going to be 560 to 561. Once again, that link is down below in the description and top pinned comment to get connected. Join the members using 42 Vision to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. The link is down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. So the SPY here is under a bear indicator in the second half of the day on the 15-minute, and the low end of this outflow level is down here at 555, right? We were watching a push up towards it, and every single time these inflows came in, we were coming up, and every single time we pulled back down, as long as we stayed above 535, 540, there was going to be strength, and that's exactly what happened here on Wednesday of last week. We pushed up from 542 all the way up to 555, and we've been in this range, and we needed to head towards 570 to justify the strength and possible outbreak of these levels to then retest the outflow levels above 570, which is up here at 573 to 575 on higher time frames such as the 30-minute, and where those outflows really started to dominate to bring us all the way down to the 480 levels. Now we've had a strong compound of inflows dominating, right? You can see here on the bars, the indigo blue is inflows, and the red slash pink is outflows. And the inflows right now are dominating on these last two inflow bars, and we're here fighting at a pivotal support followed by a bull indicator here at 558, bouncing off that level, and we definitely want to see this get back above 561 and even 563 to then go ahead and push up towards 565, and then the 570 level will be crucial. If we continue to range here sideways or having trouble to go much higher or get towards 570 and not hold it, we could easily reject it and reverse quickly to key support levels, right? And when you zoom out even further and we look at this from the 1 hour, we could see a bear indicator still in effect since 563, exactly where we rejected today. We're trying to push back up there. We want to see a bull indicator pop up to justify the move to the upside, but still some strong inflows here in that outflow level. But if that gets broken through 556, 560, and then all the way down to 551, 552 is something to watch. And then the 550 area. And then if that gets broken through, we could see that huge area here of possible retracement or support can be found before doing the next leg up. But right now we have bear indicators on larger time frames, such as the 1 hour, the 2 hour, but the 4 hour is still under a bull indicator, right? And it's trying to come back up and retrace. We've had a strong inflow here. I mean, this is a strong domination of inflows since down here at 520 area, followed by a bull indicator. And the trend has been strong to the upside, and we've been retracing up here, but slowing down at key resistance levels. And if 570 can get broken through, then comes that 573 all the way up to 575, 576 level to not ignore. To the downside, I'm going to be watching here if we can hold support above 558 and then all the way down here towards 556 to 555. And if 555 gets broken through, then comes all the way down to 552 to 515. You can see it here as well. A historical inflow level here on the way back up, right? These two levels here in these charts. And right now we're trying to bounce off of where these inflows are sitting. And we didn't touch it, but we're bouncing off of it. We retraced to this outflow level from yesterday's after hours. That definitely needs to get broken through. And then there's levels up here of the recent highs and after hours in the last 2 days. If you want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below and join the members to receive that clarity and join and learn charts along the way where the strength of supports and resistance are with the data within the charts and the extra layers of confirmation of trend with our bull and bear indicators and 42 vision indicators. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.